Salam, everyone. All I gotta say is the Quran is the best Hadeeth. The Quran is the best statement, the best speech, the best narration. Nowadays, they go into Islamic stores or stands or different other places, and they go in the store and they purchase a Hadeeth. They purchase Sahih Bukhari, Sahih Muslim. Quran is free. It's free. It was brought down for everyone. It's not even supposed to be sold at a price. Surah 39, Ayat 23. Allah has sent down the best Hadeeth, the best statement, the best speech. A consistent book wherein is reiteration. The skin shivers therefrom of those who fear their Lord. Then their skins and their hearts relax at the remembrance of Allah. That is the guidance of Allah by which He guides whom He wills. And one whom Allah leaves astray, for them there is no guide. People go out and purchase all different kinds of hadiths, all different kinds of statements, all different kinds of speech. Surah 2, Ayat 2. This is the book about which there is no doubt a guidance for those conscious of Allah. This book, no doubt, a guidance for those conscious of Allah. Do you not see? Have you not been awoken? Is it that you haven't been awoken? Or is it because you are a disbeliever? Because Allah says in Surah 2, Ayat 6, He says, indeed, those who disbelieve, it is all the same for them, whether you warn them or do not warn them. They will not believe. Allah has set a seal upon their hearts and upon their hearing, and over their vision is a veil, and for them is a great punishment. Are you one of those people? Are you one of those people that do not see, do not hear, do not understand? Because Allah has set a seal upon the disbelievers' hearts and upon their hearing and over their vision. They do not see the truth. They do not see what's right in front of them, which is clear and evident. They're lost in disbelief.
So once I've ascertained that the Quran is from God, I accept whatever God tells me. So if God tells me that He will protect it, I accept. No, wait.
The Quran is protected. There is no wait.
So I'm asking, how can you prove every word? How can you prove every word? For example, if a Christian comes to you, says, okay, how do you know? The Christian comes to you because you don't trust the people. Correct me. You don't trust the people between you.
Trust no man.
No problem. So how can you know after Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, some people never change the Quran?
Because Allah says He will protect it.
Yeah, but how do you know?
I trust Allah.
Wait. How do you know Allah said that?
Because it says so in the Quran.
Indeed, it is a noble Quran. Surah 56, Ayat 77. Indeed, it is a noble Quran. In a register, well protected. In a kitab, well protected. In a book, well protected. None touch it except the purified. Time is running out for everyone. Time is running short. The hour is drawing near.
You don't agree with is that I don't know. That's the reason why I wouldn't deal with it. Do you understand me?
So
that's
a question. What don't you know? If what he said was true or not about the Sunnah?
For understanding exactly.
About the Hadith?
Yes.
So you don't know?
Well, like I'm saying, it came to me.
But I thought I heard it, but you said that you don't know.
So I can't prove one way or another.
Well, then,
on my own being able to prove it. See, you understand? I mean, he can tell me this just like somebody else tell me this. That's the reason why I'm here.
So Hamza gave us an ayat, 1736, where Allah says, don't follow anything of which you have no knowledge. So therefore, if you don't know, that ayat then tells you you have to abandon that whole thing until you do know.
Well,
nowadays you see a lot of people, they follow things that they don't have knowledge of. They don't know. Someone told them this, someone told them that. They follow things blindly. They're wandering blindly. They don't stop for a minute to go look and read for themselves. They don't stop for a minute to go study. It's like how bad do you want it? Do you want to praise Allah and be in paradise and be beneath which rivers flow? Or do you want to be in the hellfire? It's that simple. Allah says in Surah 17, ayat 36, and do not pursue that of which you have no knowledge. Indeed, the hearing, the sight, and the heart, about all those will be questioned. So what I'm saying is this. Come back to the Quran. Come back to the truth. Come back to Allah's guidance. Follow Allah. That's all you need. There's no Quran and Sunnah. The only Sunnah is Allah's Sunnah. Sunnah means way. It's Allah's Sunnah. That's it. Prophet Muhammad did not have his own Sunnah. Follow Allah and his Sunnah. Surah 33, ayat 62. The established Sunnah of Allah. Sunnata Allahi. The established Sunnah, way of Allah, with those who passed on before. And you will not find in the way of Allah any change. So come back to Allah's Sunnah. Come back to the straight path. The Quran is all you need. The Quran is the best Hadeeth. The Quran is the best statement. Allah is the great. Salam, everyone.